Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn off the green dot on Apple. So this is for iOS 18, but I'm sure it can also work for any version lower than 18. So to test the green dot, I have to show you what the green dot first is. So the green dot is where any application has access to your camera. So all I have to do is open the camera and you see the green dot automatically pop up at the top there. So this green dot shows you that I have access to the camera. Any application has access to the camera. So how can you turn this off? And I also need to show you how it pops up. So it shows the camera. So when it has a camera, it has access to the green dot, and the orange dot is the microphone, and the blue one is your location. So how do you turn this off? So you have to make sure that you go to settings first. So once you're at settings, you cannot turn this off for an application that was made by Apple. You have to search camera. You cannot turn this off for an application that was made by Apple. You can only turn this off for a third-party application. So I will test it again with Snapchat. So with Snapchat, if I want to turn off the green dot, all I have to do is turn this off and the green dot will no longer appear. So if I go and open Snapchat now, Snapchat, it says, oops, Snapchat is camera app. To continue, you will need to allow the camera access in settings. So, and you can no longer see the green dot. So to turn off the green dot, you have to make sure that you turn off the camera settings in the third-party application. It cannot work for Apple. You cannot turn this off for Apple applications. You can only turn this off for third-party applications, and that's about it. Thank you.